Now to talk about the bus driver involved in that deadly chain reaction crash in Stafford County. Well, he's due in court first thing this morning. Jing Dong is his name. He's from Staten Island, and he's facing 5 counts of involuntary manslaughter. He is now behind bars after spending a week in the hospital. Straight Out Live to reporter Liana Golden at the Stafford County Courthouse, where Dong will appear in front of a judge in just a few hours. Liana, good morning. What can we expect?
Hey, Adam, good morning to you. Well, this will be his first court appearance since that crash back on May 29th. He will be arraigned. As you mentioned, he's been at the hospital for over a week since that crash, but he is now in custody at the Rappahannock jail, just about 5 minutes away from here. So right now, investigators believe he was speeding. He did not slow down, they say, as he was approaching that work zone, which a prosecutor we spoke with says is a bit odd.
It's really unusual to just kind of barrel through a work site when the traffic is backed up, if you will. I want to see how many hours did this driver log? Did he fall asleep, if you will? Was he on any medications? What's the toxicology report? What's the blood test show? That's going to give you a lot of information as you build your case.
He says he'd also be looking into any possible mechanical issues with that bus that could have led to the deadly 6-car pileup. He'd also be interviewing the very first police officers on scene, the fellow workers who were there, the 44 witnesses taken to the hospital. So a lot of evidence to get through as prosecutors build their case and take it here to court. Now, 7 News also had a chance to reach out to the American Motor Coach Association, who says they've not been in touch with the company Dong worked for, ENP Travel, because they are not a member of that association. The representative we spoke with says he hopes this incident does not impact anyone's willingness to get on a coach bus in the future, because he says bus travel remains safe, but they do encourage customers to make sure they are using well-known and reputable companies. Now, he also notes that under federal regulations, bus drivers are basically prohibited from driving more than 10 hours in a row to prevent fatigue. So Dong's sleep history, background leading up to the crash, that will all be part of the investigation here. Again, he will be here in court at Stafford County at 8:30 this morning. We know the NTSB is also investigating this crash, so a lot to stay on top of this morning. You guys, of course, stick with 7 News for the very latest. For now, reporting live in Stafford County, I'm Liana Golden. Back to you.